first section of the song. That's about how long it took to walk from the room to the elevator. We're gonna head down and see what we can do. Alright guys, you know I'm all about goals. We got one goal right now. Guess what it is? Some call it a bean water run. Shout out Jason and Kate. But I just call it Starbucks run. Alright guys, I'm thinking of getting a part-time job. I thought maybe if I get one of these, I could just ride around the neighborhood and sell coffee.
Here comes my coffee.
My Grace. I have your Royal Caramel Macchiato. I'm at your service.
Thanks, dear.
Everybody.
Hi. So I'm on this new game. I'm not real sure what's going on, but
Food Lion Fusion.
there you go. There's 4 boards, and I just got a bonus. So we'll see how it
Got
does.
the longevity feature. Make it happen, honey. Make it happen, honey.
I'm making it better.
No. Okay, you can make it better. Just win. Free game. It's a $3 bet. You get 4 reels. Right.
So far, not great.
You got 3 games left.
Yeah. Ooh, 15. That's not bad.
Pop it.
Okay.
2 more. Make it better right now. Oh, re-triggered. Plus again. Alright. So she's got 1 game left, and then it looks like she gets to do it all over again. That should be good. Come on. Okay. She won $16. First and 10, let's do it again. Ladies and gentlemen, we're here at the Venetian in Las Vegas, Nevada for the biggest slot tournament in history. We got Make It Happen with Dawn and Make It Better with Heather. Heather's in the middle of a bonus, honey. Tell us your thoughts right now.
Well, right now I'm a little bit nervous because I didn't get anything good on the game, but then I just hit this, so I'm not real sure.
It's always good to get a coin show.
Great.
Back to the action. Last free game, unless she gets an extra
$39.
$40.
I'll take it.
All right, not bad. So you get to pick these fellas. I don't know. Well, I'll let you know if I get some. The special feature. I think this gives her all 4. There's a special symbol like this that she popped.
On this one. We'll see how it goes.
Multi-boost. As we say that in stereo. Don't adjust your volume, folks. You heard that in stereo. We both said at the same time. Multi-boost.
$34.
Okay, that was a good one. Do it.
Oh, okay.
+2, that was good. So you want purple ones to get extra spins. Do it. Oh, that was
Not nice.
very, very exciting for a second. Three more. $50. Do it. Last one, babe. Make it a good one.
4 bucks. I was down to $4, so that's pretty good.
Not bad.
I'll take it.
Wait to get in, honey.
I'm in there.
I plan on making it better with Heather.
Bill from where you at? Where you from? Bill from Chicago says, no, make it happen with Don. Make it better with Heather.
Faithful watchers.
Thanks for watching, Bill. We appreciate it.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, YouTube community.
We are currently going to get breakfast. We're going over to the Grand Lux Cafe because it never disappoints.
Had a good night last night on the slots. We both took some extra money back to the room. We're looking for a repeat today.
Heck yeah.
And
Oh boy, I don't know if we're going to get Grand Lux.
I'll be honest, I don't even know what we have planned for today. So, kind of a line over here, but let's go. If we put our name in, then they'll text us, right?
Yeah, we can do that.
You put our name in, please. Check this out. In her natural habitat, it's Angry Heather. Crikey, look at the look on her. Look at that beautiful specimen in its wildlife. She's about to devour some kind of breakfast. You know what you're getting?
Nope. You?
I have an idea and it's going to surprise you. Oh, well, I just left a cliffhanger. Stand by, see what I get. All right, that was good. That's a busy place. Busy place. This place is huge, guys. I mean, there's like 1, 2. You think that it's filled? We thought we were going to be on a wait list, but we got up to like right this way. And then we kept walking into another dining room, through another dining room. And it goes on forever, so. All right,
This can be deceiving, dear.
Looks are deceiving. All right, what did you think?
Oh, it's delicious. It's always delicious.
We got pretty much French toast. We split it because we won't go.
It was delicious.
Side of bacon.
Yeah, we didn't finish it.
I'm a little bit irritated today. Angry Heather. And I'm Angry Don. So, apparently somebody or something, AI, bot, something, thought that I needed new windows or a sunroom. Because this morning I look at Heather and I'm like, my phone is blowing up. I just got like 8 phone calls in 5 minutes. So I started answering it. Hey, I was just following up on you asking for a quote for the windows. And I'm like, nah. I'm in Vegas. I didn't fill anything out. Please stop. But it just keeps going. It's like the Energizer Bunny. Only window style. It keeps going. Yeah. But breakfast was good. And now...
We're going to go on an adventure.
Yeah, we're going to go on an adventure. We'll leave it at that, and we'll bring you along. See you in a minute. All right, guys, we sat down real quick, played this Timberwolf game, and Heather said, here, this is all I have left. She gave me this ticket. And then she said,
Can I have some more money?
I gave you $10.
All the other moms gave their husbands 20.
can I have some money? So, 55-cent ticket cost me $100. It's more expensive than breakfast. Honey, you said you always wanted to be a yachty. You could be the chief stew, the bosun, and the captain of that boat.
All at the same time.
Okay, here we are in
That
the
way.
beautiful.
What, honey?
Here we are in the beautiful Grand Canal Shops.
We are. We're trying to navigate, trying to
know
get
where-
backwards.
Sorry, I know where I'm at now.
Good.
Okay, so let me the Atomic Saloon.
Smith and Walensky somewhere, but I see a sign.
Venetian Love.
See, that's what's confusing about all of it. It advertises for each one of these places on the banners, but you never know which way you're going.
Look at this. Look at this pose. Like a boss.
Just waiting on my husband. You know that song you always sing me, waiting on a woman?
Yeah.
I feel like in Vegas, I'm always waiting on you.
Well,
That's pretty sweet.
you said we have to have balance in our relationship. So if I'm always waiting on you, then we get out of balance. Honey, you want to go into Louis Vuitton and
Yes,
pick out your Christmas present?
yes.
Okay, I hope you got lots of money.
Give me your credit card. I'll pick out my gift.
All right.
Not a problem.
Comment below if y'all think Hand Pay Heather should get a Louis. Keep in mind, we would either have to live in our truck or
Hi.
take a second
No.
mortgage out.
Yeah. No, thank
No,
you.
we're not. Thank you. No, that's okay. So
This way?
that, yeah, right
Okay.
down these steps. That, honey, do you know how a mousetrap works? Explain to everybody how old school mousetrap works.
Well, you bait people or
I'm not
mice
talking
with
about
cheese
talking
or
about
peanut
mice.
butter, and you put it on the wooden clicky thingy, and you snap it back, and you leave it.
And then when the mouse comes in to take the cheese, whack! And then, you know, the wife calls the honey, you need to get this out of the house. So it's the same concept over there, except we're the mice. The cheese is a free sample. But the trap works the same. You walk in there, you get that free sample, and whack! Next thing
True.
you know, you're walking out of there with $800 worth of face cream.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Just-
More.
Just like that poor innocent mouse.
That's amore. How cute.
Why don't you go over there and do a... hold on. Make it happen. All right, so just to give you an idea, Grimaldi's Pizza's back here. Flight Club Darts
Bye,
is
babe.
right here. Honey,
Are you gonna come with me?
do like Elf. Put your leg on the
Come with
side. Ow. How's he do it? Like this.
This is awful. This is like the worst workout ever.
Down the escalator. Out this door. Over the bridge to the wind. Okay?
Woo.
Oh, it's beautiful.
A little chilly. We're in the desert. Shouldn't be this chilly. Look at the mountains.
Honey, you just had breakfast.
You're right. Every time I eat, I get cold.
And yet you want chili?
Not what I was going for.
So, this is the big controversial spot during the F1 race where they covered these things with film so you couldn't see the race if you weren't a paying customer. But all the Vegas people that come here from all around the world that want to see the Sphere, they were a little upset, so they started ripping the things down. And then they got upset and they put them back up, and then they put like a screen over it so you couldn't even rip it down. All right. Here we go, honey. We go down the escalator, and then that's when the music starts bumping.
Those mountains are beautiful.
Tree into the water.
Ooh. Long live Cowboys. Wrangler, you missed it. We are here currently for Cowboy Christmas. Are we just going straight down, or you want to go in the wind?
I don't know. I say we go in the wind.
Okay.
Get some beautiful. Hold on. Honey, that waterfall's almost as beautiful as you. Just falls short.
Follow what?
Falls a little short of your beauty.
It says it's an automatic door, but I had to open it, so I don't know about that.
Givenchy. Is it Givenchy or Givenchy? Is it Montclair? Is it Fendi? All right, let's walk through here and pronounce all these stores phonetically. You ever had anything from Bibligay? All right, what do we got here? Philippe Flien. Okay, you do this one.
No.
Seriously?
Seriously.
You're not playing?
No, I like watching or listening to you play. That's fun.
Prada? Prada? Who's Prada here?
Oh, I can't wait to see you say Ferragamo.
Look at this one, guys. This one's easy. Watches of Switzerland. See? Ferragamo. Ferragamo.
Ooh, I don't even know what that one is.
Ferragamo. Oh. Bucciolati. Honey, you want to go to Bucciolati? She's like, yes, I love spaghetti. Louis Vuitton.
Gotcha.
Gotcha. See? It's so much fun, guys. She resisted for a while, but now she's involved. Aaron. Is Aaron here?
Oh boy.
Honey, I'm gonna let you do this one. This one's easy.
What one? Tiffany?
And
Co.
Tiffany & Co. Ladies and gentlemen, it's Dior. If you guys have good reception at home and you got good cable, you might have lots of channel. Wait a second.
I bet those curtains weigh a lot because they're really long. Oh, that's pretty.
Okay, so did you guys see the video where the drunk girls climbed through these ferns and got on the horses and got arrested?
Yeah,
Did you see it?
I did. You showed it to me. It was hilarious.
All right, there's 4 of them. You want to give them names?
Okay, that's Sunflower.
Sunflower.
This is Mabel.
Okay, Mabel. Mabel, fresh out of the stable. Mm-hmm. Who do we got here? Can I name the last one?
Yes.
What do you got?
This is going to be Rose.
And this one right here is
Yep. That one's for you to name.
Ragnar Lothbrok.
Of all the names, that's the one you went with?
The king of
I don't know.
Kennington. Wessex. Let's just say you take over Wessex. Okay. Cartier.
This is a fun game. I
Hold on,
love
wanna
these
try
balls.
something.
They're these close. Whew.
What?
Said some of these close.
We found a door.
Yes, sir. Let me get that for you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Oh, weighs more than I do.
Thank you, my sweet little lady.
Sure, you're gonna have to actually navigate stairs.
Look at I tricked her. Tricked her. Navigated her right to steps.
As long as I'm going down and not going up, I'm fine. Ooh, it's windy. Bright. We don't know what this fiery ball in the sky is. We live in
A
Ohio.
couple things. First of all, number one, I'm going to go ahead and publicly say on YouTube that I'm going to lose weight by the March Vegas trip.
Okay.
I don't know if I wanted to say that, but
Now you
I
did.
figured
Gotta
if I
commit.
do that, I'm now held accountable. Secondly, we are on our way to the Fontainebleau, the big VIP invite guest party, because we were voted the top up-and-coming vloggers of YouTube for 2023, and they sent us some VIP passes to
Here,
the
come on.
grand
Don't get hit by a
opening.
car. I'm gonna help you walk.
Honey,
Ready?
pull out those passes. Show everybody.
Oh, wait.
You lost the passes?
Stop it.
I apologize. She lost the passes. We weren't voted anything, were we?
No. No.
Another dream. I must add another dream. What are you pointing at?
Ross. I like Ross.
You already went to Ross.
I know we're gonna go to this one and they have different stuff.
Comment below, guys, if Ross has different stuff in the different stores.
It does.
I feel like we've been walking a long time.
This walk really wasn't that bad. Normally it feels like it's worse. It's probably because it's like 65 and sunny.
I'm dying of thirst. Fred Segal. He originally opened that with his brother Steven. And then Steven went into the whole movie thing. And I think Fred's making more money than that. Resorts World.
Okay.
You're welcome. Have a good time and good luck in here. Take all their money. Stardust.
That's so cool.
We're gonna zoom in right up top there. That's the Black Clover hat place. And if you noticed, I am sporting a black Clover hat today. In blue. It's got the BC on the side, Live Lucky on the back. My faves. Did you know
Boba?
they were my faves?
First stop, Boba?
Oh yeah.
Okay, good.
We're going to the circus?
No.
Oh,
No.
thought you said you wanted to go see Bobo.
No, no.
Bobo the clown?
No.
And Boba the Tiger Sugar Bubble Tea.
Yeah.
Destination.
Tiger Sugar Boba. Yeah. so good.
All right.
What are you
You know
doing?
what this is?
I don't know what you're alluding to.
The international sign that the excitement is building up. You know that
That's a
feeling
build-up?
when you walk
Okay.
into Resorts World and you're like, oh, something different. Some different feeling. All right, we're gonna get some over. We'll catch up with you. Guys, we found a scratch star game before. Daniel, the Vegas low roller, said, hey, you're just playing for the bonus, right? You don't care about lines. So do $1 bet. Play 3 lines, and it's a $3 bet. And if you get a bonus, it could be good. So let's see what happens. Come on. So we need pot, star, star, star. And if we get a rainbow star, it's yes, okay. So if you get a rainbow star, you're guaranteed one of these progressives, so it's a minimum of 200. So let's see what's behind these stars. Show up.
It needs to show off.
It needs to show off. Show and go. There it is. Alright. We got 2 spins left. We won valuable prizes so far. We started with 100. Alright, excellent. Now we got 2 more spins. Let's do it again. First and 10, let's do it again. Come on. Pot, give me rainbows. That's at least $200. Alright guys, that's Grand Star Wealth. Chili Fire Hot Rush, we got a 4 trigger. 15 free games. Come on now. 10 free spins. Alright, we need 4 coins, or he could pop him randomly. Come on. One more. Yes. Alright. And we got the repeat. So we get that money. Alright, go up. Keep going. Go. One more time. Okay. So we get all this money, and then it'll repeat. As long as fire drops, we keep spinning. And another repeat. Kill it. Alright, we still got free games left. Look at Brian's making it happen down there with a little bonus action going on. Do it again. I think 2 might re-trigger, but I'm not sure. Come on. Yeah. Come on. 5 more. Come on. Do it. Re-trigger. Last one. Do it. Didn't do it. $86. Makes you want a margarita, don't it? Alright. I always got to take advantage of the empty disco bathroom. go party. Guys, I couldn't even count this. I don't know what I won, but it's a lot. Oh, there it is. $460. Look at these guys. Boom. Boom. Thank you, Piggy. Alright. We decided on Black Tap for food. Very crowded. Okay, we're here at Black Tap. It's very loud in here, very crowded, loud and proud. We are beaten up from Vegas, a little tired, so we decided to come here and get a burger. I got a Wagyu burger. It's supposed to be the famous one. Heather went Korean wings. So we're gonna see how this food is, and I don't know if we're gonna do much more because we are tired. I'll show you the food when it comes out. All right, so Black Tap is right off the casino floor by the sports book. You can see the huge sports book with all the TVs going all the way around. They have fancy milkshakes, but I don't know if I'll be able to fit one. Tarzan game. 5 spins, wild stacks. Come on. Okay. Come on. There you go. I guess I gotta get 3 to get re-trigger. 4 more. Come on. Go, go, go. Okay, 3 more. Re-trigger. Re-trigger it. One more. Go, go, go. Okay. Go, come on. Alright, $100. Not bad.
I feel so small next to this sphere. Again, we forgot the end of the vlog wrap.
But it was a great day at the Venetian. Grand Lux Cafe never disappoints, but it disappointed. Don't get the French toast. Stick with that breakfast buffet or some of the other things. It was a little disappointing. However, Black Tap at night, the burgers are amazing. They have these big shakes with the piece of cake, but we couldn't get one of those. Wow. And we had a good time at the Wynn. So now let's do some comments and reply, and then we can wrap this whole thing up. Thanks.
I'm gonna do one last clip here. We are at the parking garage at the Venetian waiting for our ride share, but Vegas, you know, you can go to see shows, you can go to see Chris Angel, David Copperfield, magicians, but illusions, the illusions. Look at this. Did you see this? That is the Link High Roller right there. And it looks like it's in a regular neighborhood 3 houses down. And I don't understand it. Because if you know anything about the Las Vegas Strip, the Venetian is not close to the High Roller. But it's right there. I don't get it. Honey, do you understand? Can you help me understand?
What?
Is the Venetian close to the Link or the High Roller?
Yeah, it's right there.
How could it be? It's right there. And that's gonna be miles away.
It's definitely far away. I don't know about miles, but it's definitely far away. Miles walk.
All right, we're waiting for our Uber and we're heading back to the airport. Last night, Hangry Heather, if she was a drinker, she would have been hungover Heather, but she doesn't drink, but she didn't feel well. Little congestion and head cold thing, so. But we're okay. We're heading home. See you in a bit. Everybody's just waiting for us.
Where have you been?
Are we late for the flight?
Not at all. We were waiting for you.
Did the airplane leave? Hey, Merry Christmas, everybody. Say hi.
Hey, Merry Christmas.
See, honey, look at this. How nice the Breeze folks are. Everybody out there in YouTube land should fly Breeze.
All right, it's time. Don't look at me. It's time for your comments and a little reply. And as you know, my eyes ain't what they used to be. Comment number 1 comes from our friend Annika O'Connor. My vote is that the mime was creepy, but worth it if you got treats while waiting. You know what? I think mimes are a little bit like clowns. They're creepy, yet entertaining, sometimes funny. You know, when I was looking at him behind me, I thought he was going to do something funny. And those weren't just treats. Those were like fancy hors d'oeuvres a man was bringing around. So, hey, if you got to wait in line at the Venetian, at least they do it right. Thanks for sending that in, Annika. Next one we have is Steve Turton, 5653. Fantastic vlog again. When you get your merch sorted, we must have a Make It Better with Heather t-shirt. Steve and Steph from the UK. Here we go again. Here we go again, right? Make it better with Heather. Okay, I give. We'll do that. We're gonna get a Make It Better with Heather t-shirt when we get our merch set up. And Steve and Steph, I think we might be meeting you. So yes, I think you're gonna be in Vegas at the same time as us, and we're gonna hook that up. We're gonna make that happen. Okay. Next one, TJ EQ1FC. Don, you made it happen on this Italian dinner. Don't know if I would pay those prices though. Great video. Hey, so here's the thing with Vegas food. It's so amazing, and it is highly priced. And we get food, and we want to show you all the food. If I wasn't making videos, we would just order one entree because it is plenty to share. So if you went to Lavo and just got the chicken parm or just the spaghetti, you're gonna save $35 off the bill. And now you're looking around $70 for dinner, and it's plenty of food. It's upscale, it's elegant, it's fine dining, it's delicious. It's no other. It's Vegas, baby. So that's my tip. If you're on a budget, maybe just order one entree and share it because they always give you plenty of food. That's gonna do it. Thanks for watching. Oh, hey, wait, one more thing. Last minute booked a trip to Atlantic City, but Heather can't go. So, special guest. I don't know how this is gonna go. It might be crazy. My nephew. I'm going with my nephew Shane. I'm taking my nephew Shane. So I don't know what's to come. But hey, live your blessed life because you are blessed. I hope this wasn't too long. Thanks for watching. We love you. Check out the slideshow that's coming up next of all our subscribers. Thanks. See you soon.